What's going on, buddy? It is Jacob. Welcome back to FNAF World. I am sorry, guys, but until next Friday, we are doing a video for 15 minutes. So I'm sorry. It's just I don't have the money right now. Is it $1 a month? I don't know how much it really is. Might take all of my allowance. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, I will fix that next week. But last video we got beaten, and we got to number 3. Virtual Freddy. Blink and you miss him. Okay. I want to sorry about that scream. I want to try to get another character in this video. Okay. We are at number, and there's supposed to be a chip right here, but I already got it. Fast jam. But I did not mean to do that. Balloons. Cupcake. Yay! I want to It will be an adventure. I might die. Never say that. Because it's Come on, Bastian. Like the tree behind me. Might toss. Hop. Hop. Yay. Cupcake. Nice. Come on, Bonnie. Stop it. This is a safe place in a sanctuary. The truth is that there is no safe place. However, there is a task for you to complete before you follow this passage. Go back and find the clock. I see the written. I see that. I read it. I read it. No! Guys, I'm sorry for being so quiet. It's just this game. I can't play Pokemon on this computer, but if you guys want to see me play Minecraft, go ahead and smash that like button. Because the world needed a plus version of Springtrap. Okay. It's just so. Hey. Okay. Are you kidding me? I just died from a battle earlier. I see a little white thing, and I'm guessing that's the flipping clock. Right there, yes it is. Hello, clock. How's it going? Are you good? What? Are you kidding me? Cupcake. There we go. Okay. Controversy. It wasn't meant to last. Okay. Hold on, guys. Okay, got it. Hello? Okay. XP earned. Fast tokens earned. Yeah. Yes! Yes! Sorry for that big screen, guys. But you guys want to know why I said yes? He has unscrew too. And Ivy. And Peter Wheel too. Guys, if I'm so quiet for the next battle, I'm so sorry. I'm just focusing. I want this guy so bad. See, guys, he has unscrew too. Yes! Yes! Yes. Yes, and a yes, and a yes, yes, yes. Bam! Bam. You. You. Yes, yes, and a yes, yes. And a yes, and a yes, and a yes, yes, yes. A yes, and a yes, and a yes, yes, yes. A yes, and a yes, and a yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. I got Wizard! Bonnie, guys! He's a good character. And the top row. He's the last, second top. So he's the dummy. He's the best one in at the top row. Unscrew two. Watch this. Unscrew two. I'm gonna kill you now. Come on. Oh! I'm sorry, guys, for being so quiet. Yes! Sorry for screaming. I am just happy. I got Wizard Bonnie, BB, Bonnie, and Twitch got my team. I can kill him. I can kill him. You guys know what? Ivy is kind of like, it's like a bean, like a fire, and this is it. So snow is made of water. He's basically made of water. So wouldn't Ivy work a lot? That's my question. I actually am gonna kill him. No. Uh-uh. Stop it! Hook. Bash jam. Cupcake. Come on, you guys have it. The final and last move! Yes! Yes! We're going on a trip on a favorite rocket ship flying through the sky. Okay, Wizard Bonnie had to have a lot of levels up because that's like, I don't know. What the next dimension, subtunnel. He said don't go more than 3 layers down in the subtunnel. Guys, if you do that, you get you got to see Old Man Jenkins and you get a prize. I'm not gonna spoil. I'm not gonna do the rest. But if you do that, go to Old Man Jenkins. That's all I'm gonna do, and say that's I basically spoiled it. I'll do it for you guys. We are at number 4, which is the water. Wahoo! Phantom Mango, because he needed to be weirder. Ooh! I messed up, didn't I? Yep. Come on! Don't! Does Wheeler Bonnie really have the most health of all? Let's go to number 4. And guys, here we are with Lawbit and the healing bites. We got bam! We got it! Woo! We got it! The rest of the healing bites, the middle is 100, the last one is 500. Fast tokens? What is wrong with that endo guy? His face. So we actually are going to go to right there. You've reached. I don't need to read this. If you guys want me to, comment down below. Either way, I'm going to make a whole video of getting the clock ending. Here we go. Yeah. I am the best person. Oh no. Please work. It didn't work. We got this. We got this. And screw to. Yes! Come on, heal. And screw to. Oh! I'm the one that don't need the gun. Okay, if you guys get a thing, I heard that I did get a monster. So if he goes around in circles there, so I'll show you. Next video I might do FNAF World Reducted or what's it called? 5 Nights in Minecraft, I guess. But we are at the glitchy. Okay, get to this. Go down, I see you. I see it. Ah, with a Foxy. Still Foxy, but more mateys. My name is Foxy the Pirate, and I'm gonna kill you. Okay. I'm not gonna read this. Right there, where it all started. So, here we are. So, if you guys enjoy this video, hit that like button. Next video, I'm going to do Find Minecraft or FNAF World Reducted. And yeah, goodbye.